It's all officially here. We finally have our first official look at the Galaxy S25 series, along with some other exciting official details. First up, Galaxy S25 series reserve page is now official. With this, not only you can get $50 Samsung credit, you get $1,250 additional saving and even a chance to win $5,000 Samsung credit. Definitely check this out, link is mentioned in the description. Now the official teaser is clearly showing 4 devices, as we know: Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, S25 Ultra, and S25 Slim. All of them will be powered by the latest generation Galaxy AI features, and as you can see by the animation, we're probably going to see the smartest version of Bixby ever created on this planet with the S25 lineup. This is exciting, but what's even more exciting is the official actual renders from Samsung of the S25 series, which were leaked by Roland Quandert of WinFuture.d. So taking a look at the official renders of the Galaxy S25 Ultra, it's looking pretty good. I have to say, we haven't really seen the front bezels, so this really shows how thin they really are. It's probably going to be the thinnest bezels on a phone. Honestly, looks really good, and you can see the back, which is pretty much similar to how we have seen in the leaks already. Once again, quad camera setup with 2 zoom sensors, one main 200 megapixel sensor, and the new ultra wide 50 megapixel sensor. Galaxy S25/S25 Plus are also looking pretty good in this new icy blue color. What's exciting is that Samsung is now bringing the Qi 2 wireless charging standard across all of their S25 series models, and we now have this MagSafe wireless charging capability being added to these phones for the first time, although you would require a case for this functionality to happen. Now, what's exciting is that wireless charging speeds could finally have a speed bump to 25 watts from 15 watt, which is a pretty respectable upgrade. Let me know what you think about the official look of the S25 series in the comment section below. Now, coming back to some Galaxy AI madness that's about to happen on the S25 series, according to iOS Universe, thanks to these new Galaxy AI features, Samsung will be setting a new benchmark, pretty much schooling Apple and teaching them how to do it right. Streets will never forget how Samsung introduced these useful Galaxy AI features with the S24 series. They were the first to do it way before Apple, and now they're about to step things up even further with the Galaxy S25 series. However, it's important to note that some of these powerful Galaxy AI features might actually be paid, so keep that in mind. And last but not the least, alongside with the Galaxy S25 series, we might finally see the Galaxy Ring 2nd generation, as well as Samsung's recent Galaxy XR headset in action. The Unpacked is looking very much packed. Let me know your thoughts regarding all the official leaks and all the official design look. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe. With that being said, I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.